Alright, what's up guys? I know it's been a little bit since we took the 33 out, but today we're doing a pretty fun mod, little blast from the past. I'll surprise you guys later with it, but I'm going to my buddy Brandon's house. He's the one who did the wide body on the 32, and maybe we'll be able to check out his Drift Militia car he built. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, we made it to the Wizard's house, the magical place. My buddy Brandon, what's up man?
It's a chop shop.
Yeah, but look at this Drift Militia. KA24 built. It's been a long time since I've seen it. A few other projects. But yeah. Good on the lift. I guess so we got on the lift real quick. I never even seen it on the lift, so here's how you tell it's a V-spec. Rear diff, fin, and let's check out the Weldina. First time I seen the whole thing. So this whole thing's titanium all the way to the Nismo downpipes. So that's money right there. Alright guys, here we have it. This is what we're doing. Bringing Underglow back. So right now we're just mocking it up, trying to see where to go, and it's all controlled through the phone, so change whatever color you want.
Ooh.
It takes a lot longer than it thought.
It's worth it though, man.
Yeah, so now I got this app. So I get this. Control on the phone, turn it off.
Ooh.
Whatever we want. Yeah. Yep, so it's all controlled on my phone.
Yeah, well done. God damn.
Dude, thanks, man. Shout out to Lynn. You want me to link your Instagram? Check out the description down below, and I'll link you to his Instagram. Man, I'm happy. Man, thing is a beast. I forgot my light. One day I'll get my own shop. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It was only supposed to take an hour, but you know, sometimes it takes a little longer. It took about 4 hours, but that's because we had to figure out where to wire it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come. You guys have a good one.